I'm here with Fraser from Current Renewables, one of our loyal installers. How are you finding the show today?
Really good. Obviously, it's nice that you guys are centre stage. Got a really good show on. Obviously, with your flagship and the gateway that's coming out, and these Octopus stuff. It's a cool setup. It's nice to be here, and it's a pleasure.
So, how are you finding installing the system so far? What have you found the nicest to install?
Everything about them, to be honest. I can split it into 2 points. I can go from the installer point of view, which is more my end, and I can do a customer point of view. From the installer point of view, the lads love it. Everything about it's seamless on the installation. We've never had one go faulty yet. Obviously I say yet, hoping never to go faulty. It's by far the easiest inverter we've had to install, but by far. The commissioning's simple. You're talking a 2-3 minute commission time, and it's an all-round good process. And then if we're moving down to the customer point of view, not only have they got the iPad, the Home Energy app or whatever it's called, it's the simplest, best looking app on the market, and it's just an all-round finishing product. We're giving them the iPad, letting them set it up, and the control is there. It's better than the other, more variable control. Obviously now you've got the AI that can report weather and stuff like that. It can delegate what its use is. So from both points, you smashed it. And you can tell you're centre stage of solar and storage. So.
Well, it's always a good place to be. So, you've installed some of the heat pumps and a few of the other product ranges. What do you think of the whole home ecosystem?
The whole home ecosystem is unreal. When obviously, look, it's a big commitment to go all one product. But we've seen it work in Germany. You own 40% of the market. But the installation of it was seamless. It was all right, and the heat pump itself, probably the quietest heat pump on the market. It was good, and look, going back to customer, the controls the customers have, they can change everything on the heat pump on the app. Instead of having to, I don't want to name names of other companies, but say we fit a different company thing, and they got their own app, and then we fit your battery and inverter, and then they got that app, and then we need to somehow link the inverter solar to the heat pump, and then we got another product,
products.
So now we've got 4 apps just to get it to try and work seamlessly, and then on top of that you got the Octopus app where you got to have your. So it's nice. It was a really good way of doing it. What obviously you're doing is you're bringing the ecosystem from Germany to the UK. Germany own. Look, if you're thinking of a country that smashed their carbon neutral targets, it's Germany. And if we can bring over what they've done and learn to here, it's amazing. And look, I think obviously you've seen the installation, you've seen it run, you've seen the customer. I think he's in £800 of credit with Eon, so he's laughing. So it was a great thing. The heat pumps are good. Obviously it's one of them things that you've got to try. And we was a bit nervous at the start, but they're probably the easiest and best heat pumps we fit. And look, they're the best looking, and they're silent, which is everything.
How do you find the service and support with all the equipment when you've got faults and problems?
Yeah, good. Yeah, another thing we get anyone that. So let's go back to installers now. So anyone that in an installer, you kind of get someone from the get-go. So if you're, say, let's just name Ben here, because that's who I got. They're probably the best, to be fair, by you. Probably. But I guess you're more R&D. So I had Ben, so he's kind of there all the time. So no matter what, you've got someone you can talk to and help you through it. Whereas I'm not naming other names and anything else, but genuinely you on some things I'm still waiting for other parts on stuff that I've had been faulty. Whereas if I've had anything wrong, like Ben, so we've had a 4G dongle that I forgot, Ben's had it there, that kind of it's just stuff like that that's it's good, it's next level. And then obviously that as well gives us confidence to then go to the customer and saying, look, they've got the best technical support, they've got the best product warranty, and they've got the best actual help for us as installers. So we feel good warrantying the 15 years. It's not just saying, it's a 15-year warranty. If anything goes wrong after 10 years, we're out of our insurance. But we feel good warrantying it. We know it's going to last.
So, moving forward, what would you like us to see us develop next? What kind of pathway would you like us to go down?
What's the gateway? But you've done that now. So, and then Octopus, so you've done that now. So you need an 8 kilowatt, 10 kilowatt, 12 kilowatt inverter.
So that'll be coming soon in April. So
there we go.
You'll be looking forward to that with the gateway and things.
Perfect.
So what's your next plans moving forward? What's your next systems you're looking to install?
Systems wise, we mainly fit the bigger systems of domestic. I'd say we're Southwest region, so everyone's kind of moved down from London or something to us. So we tend to fit the nice systems. We're just in the process of trying to hit commercial, which I think you've got products releasing for commercial as well. So our goal as a company now is to hit the commercial range harder and get more commercial installations. And like you just said, you got, I don't know, can I say it?
Yeah.
You got a 50 kilowatt and hopefully a 100 kilowatt commercial inverter coming out pending, which will be a game changer. And luckily for you guys, it takes ages to get a DNO through anyway, so you should have it out in time.
Perfect. Well, thanks for your time today, and I look forward to working with you further.
Cheers,
If you need
Miles.
anything,
It's been a
just let
pleasure.
us
Thank
know.